me the world. Said I was your only girl.